Planet Earth is our shared home. It's a delicate web of life, interconnected and constantly evolving. As we explore new ways to power our world, it's crucial to tread carefully, considering the impact of our actions on the environment. That's where environmental impact assessments, or EIAs, come in. Imagine you're building a new home. You wouldn't just start laying bricks without a plan, would you? You'd consider the land, the materials, and the impact on the surrounding environment. An EIA is like a blueprint for sustainable development. It helps us understand how a project, like a solar panel installation, might affect the environment. These assessments are vital tools for informed decision-making. They provide a platform for scientists, communities, and developers to come together. By carefully evaluating potential impacts, we can minimize negative effects and maximize positive outcomes. Just as we strive to protect endangered species and preserve natural habitats, EIAs help us create a future where renewable energy and a healthy planet go hand in hand. Picture a rural landscape bathed in sunshine. Rolling hills, perhaps a nearby forest, and a community eager to embrace clean energy. The journey of bringing solar panels to this idyllic setting begins with an EIA. It's a step-by-step process ensuring responsible development. First, we determine if an EIA is needed. This screening process considers the project's size and location. For larger solar installations in sensitive areas, a full EIA is essential. Next, we delve into the potential impacts. Experts meticulously assess effects on wildlife, plants, soil, water, and even the visual landscape. This involves site visits, data collection, and careful analysis. Public consultation is a cornerstone of the EIA process. Local communities, those most familiar with the area, share their knowledge and concerns. This dialogue ensures that the project aligns with community values and addresses their needs. Finally, the EIA report is compiled, presenting the findings and recommendations. This document guides decision-makers, ensuring that the solar panel installation proceeds in an environmentally responsible manner. Solar energy offers a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change. It's a clean, renewable resource that can power homes, businesses, and communities. Yet, even with such a positive goal, we must acknowledge potential impacts. Large-scale solar installations, while providing clean energy, require land. This can potentially impact wildlife habitats, particularly for birds and ground-dwelling animals. The construction process itself can cause soil disturbance and alter water drainage patterns. Furthermore, the visual impact of solar panels on the rural landscape must be carefully considered. Integrating these installations harmoniously with the surrounding environment is crucial. We must ensure that our pursuit of clean energy doesn't come at the expense of the natural beauty we cherish. It's about finding a balance, a way to harness the power of the sun while safeguarding the delicate ecosystems that make our planet so unique. Every challenge presents an opportunity for innovation and responsible action. The potential environmental impacts of solar panels in rural areas can be effectively mitigated through careful planning and implementation. Protecting wildlife is paramount. By carefully selecting installation sites and implementing wildlife-friendly fencing, we can minimize disturbance to animals and their habitats. Creating corridors for wildlife movement ensures their continued access to resources. Minimizing soil erosion and water contamination during construction is crucial. Implementing erosion control measures and proper waste management protocols safeguards the land and water resources vital to rural communities. Visual impact can be mitigated through thoughtful design and landscaping. By integrating solar installations into the natural contours of the land and using native plants for screening, we can create a harmonious blend of technology and nature. The journey towards a sustainable future requires careful consideration and collaboration. By embracing the principles of environmental responsibility, we can harness the power of solar energy while protecting the planet we call home.